Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing my Project Pan update. It's been 3 months since my last update. It wasn't really an update because it was like the first time I was doing it for 2019, but I wanted to let you guys know that yes, I'm still working on my products. I haven't been wearing a lot of makeup, and when I have been, I've been mixing it up a lot, so I haven't been going back to those core products. And so yeah, let's go through the products. This is the Kat Von D Locket blotting powder, and I honestly haven't been using it at all because I've been using a lot of cream products on my face, and powder just hasn't made its way into my skincare routine. And I actually bought the Milk Makeup Blur powder recently, so I've been using that instead of like a pressed powder. The next powder is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish powder, and I go through this so quickly, and yeah, I've just been using a lot of this. I think the reason why I don't use my Kat Von D powder anymore is mainly because I like this one a lot better. So I have been hitting a lot of pan, but I don't know if I'm going to repurchase it because it was really a hefty price tag, and I ended up getting it with my Nordstrom discount. And because I no longer work there, I don't really think that it's worth the $56 or something crazy it is, especially because I went through it so quickly. Okay, so that's it for powders. Now I'm going to get into a highlight. This is my Burberry highlight in 02, and you guys know this is like my drunk purchase, and I bought it on a whim and I just shouldn't have, so I'm holding myself accountable to actually finish it up. So this is what it looks like. You can see that the pattern is almost gone, almost. This is the highlight that I will reach for if I'm going out. I don't wear highlight like on everyday basis, but this one I have been pretty good at reaching for this one instead of my other highlights, so I'm doing well, I think. This is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Palette, and Wes got this for me because I was literally begging him to for like a birthday or something like that. So he was like, why am I spending $70 on 3 powders? Like, it makes no sense. So I owe it to him to actually finish this up. Sorry, I should probably show you what it looks like. These are the 2 shades that I use all the time. I mix them together, and I think in the summertime when I get a little bit more tan, I'll start using these as more of a setting powder or an under eye powder or something like that. But once I get a little bit more tan, then I will be using this a lot more. I think I should move this closer so that it's more accessible in my drawer, so that I will actually use it and see it on a daily basis. So the next product is the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. I've already gone through a full one of these, which I'm so proud of myself for doing. And then this again is like a brand new one. I just started it in January, so obviously I haven't hit a lot of pan yet, or any pan. But I mean, I'm working on it. I do see a dent in there somewhere, so that's pretty good. And I was gonna mention something else about this. Oh yeah, I'm not actually using a lot of bronzer lately because I've been using more like cream blushes and cream products on my face, so bronzers just haven't really come, or any product or any powders really haven't been in my daily routine. So that's also could be a reason why these haven't hit more pan than last time. So the last video I mentioned 2 other products which I actually ended up decluttering because that video was filmed before my declutter. So I got rid of the NARS concealer, the NARS Pot Concealer, because I just wasn't using it anymore. It was too thick of a product, and it was just, I could see that it was getting old. And I also got rid of the NYX eyeshadow, and I used that for my brows, but I haven't used a powder in my brows for years now, so it just didn't make sense for me to keep it, and it was almost done anyway. So I got rid of those 2 products, but this product I did keep. This was the RMS Beauty Foundation and Concealer, and I use this actually a different way than the last time I talked to you guys. I actually pop a little bit of facial oil into this, like I will drop 1 or 2 drops into here, and then I will mix it around, and it almost makes the product even more creamy and easier to blend on my skin. Because I've had this product for a while now, it is not drying up, but the formula is changing a little bit, so I do need to add in that extra oil and moisture in order to boost it back up again to make it a little bit easier to apply. And then I have 2 more products to mention. They're both perfumes. This is the Daisy Dream by Marc Jacobs, and as you can see I'm almost done it, but I've had it for so long now and I'm so tempted to just like give this away because I haven't used this in a very long time. I have been using my Tocca Simone perfume. This one I got more recently and I'm already like a third done. So this is the one that I use every single day, and if I'm going out then I will use the Glossier You perfume, but this one has been my go-to. So I'm kind of on the fence with this because I haven't used it in so long. I think I should just give it away. But let me know what you guys think about that. And I also have been going through a lot of skincare lately, so if you guys want me to do a video on not necessarily like hitting pan, but me finishing up my skincare products and how long it usually takes me to finish those up, because I feel like I've been going through a lot more skincare than makeup lately. Makeup is just so hard to go through, especially like a full bronzer or something like that. So those are all the products that I have to share with you guys. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and if you guys think that I should add more products to this. I mean, I think I have a lot on my plate already, but if there's a product that you guys are going through, let me know. And yeah, I can't wait to hear from you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!